Hi all, how is it going? So in this video I will show you how to change your YouTube channel username. So first go to the top right corner and click your profile icon and switch to your YouTube channel. So I select this channel and then uh, again click the profile icon and go to YouTube Studio and then click this customization tab and then go to the basic info. So here you can see your channel name, so you can change it here. Please remember that you can change your handle only once 14 days time period. So I will change my handle name to tech info base and click publish. So now if I go to my channel, you can see my channel handle is changed to tech info base. So I hope you found this video is helpful. So like and subscribe. So let's see in the next video.